we named a big squad on a big standby list, but we wanted to take our strongest. We want to take the strongest players available because we want to do well in Amsterdam. And obviously it's a big weekend for Bale and Madrid. But of course he's in the squad, and his record in friendly games is excellent. So touch wood, hopefully that stays the same. Normally I wouldn't take the game on the 4th of June if it's not for points, then you've got no choice. But it's Holland in Amsterdam. He's one of the best teams. We took it because also this time next year we're preparing for Belgium. If we want to qualify, then you've got to get used to playing football in the summer. All the best players play tournament football. All the tournaments are in the summer. We think he needs a rest. He needs a good rest. He's played obviously the final. Problem we've got is that he had the same injury problem after Christmas. It was reoccurring, and we kept looking at it and we kept thinking he was going to be back in 2 weeks, and it never happened. And we didn't want to take the risk. Neither did Aaron, nor Arsenal, I would have thought. He's getting married also, in all honesty. But that's after the game, so that wouldn't have been a big problem. Again, they need a good rest. And if you look at Ben and Ash, they rarely miss games or training. They've got great attitudes, and it's just that they've finished the season with Swansea and now they need rest with the injuries that they've got, so we'll be without both. Problem we've got is it's a dangerous time because it's at the end of a long season, so there's always going to be one or two missing, unfortunately.